Hello everyone, thanks for joining me. I am Salathia of TIS Coaching and I'm here to do a very brief tutorial on Zapier. That's Zapier.com. It is a application I found on the web. It gives you a 14-day trial and I have 7 days left, and so far I am loving all that it can do for me. What it does is eases my workflow process by having this application I use talk to another application I use. So right now I am going to create a quick zap for you, excuse me. Let it load. The zap that I've chosen to use is to allow one of my forms talk to my Facebook business page. So my trigger service I choose here. This is wherever you want it to start, and as you see they have over 240 something applications. You start from anyone that you want to. But the catch is, depending on the application you start from, it may not speak to the one that you want to end up at. As for example, I wanted FormStack to talk to my Facebook, to PayPal. Well, as you can see, PayPal is not an option for a FormStack to talk to PayPal. That one I found out when I was trying to do something, but I found a quick workaround. So if it can't talk to it, then you won't have it in your action. But you should start out with all of them in your trigger and go over to your action. So I want this to go to Facebook pages. So I choose that. And for FormStack, my trigger is a new submission. So anytime someone creates or submits something on the form, it's going to create a post on my Facebook business page. And I want to use that account. I test it to make sure that it's working. That's just a generic name. It just lets you know that I'm using my FormStack account. I hit continue. I want it to connect to my Facebook pages account. And again, you can always change that. I just hit continue. If this is your first time going into the program, or you will have to give Zapier access no matter which program you use. So I hit continue. I wanted to use my test contact form, and thanks to those who filled out the form for me, it truly helped out a lot. And I wanted to go to my TIS Coaching Facebook page. And I want to use my first name field that's on my form, and I want to say has registered for Supercall. That's an event that I will be hosting shortly. If you want to, you will put a picture URL or a link URL. All of these are optional, but the top two are required. This is the page you want it to go to, and this is what you want it to say when it posts. So I hit continue, and I get a sample submission from FormStack. So I'm going to click here just to get that started. So I'm going to go to FormStack and click on my URL, and it's wherever your form is. I'm going to type in my first name, Salathia, and I'm going to type in an email address. Let's do this one. And I hit submit. It's submitting that form. It was just a sample so that I can make sure that my Zap is working. And so it's going to go find that submission I just created. So I say, okay, I did it. Get the submission. They found it. I say finish and close. So now I click on send. Success. That means it took the information I put on this form and spoke to my TIS coaching page. Let's go check it out. So I'm going to refresh this page. And as you can see, as of 13 seconds ago, Salathia has registered for Supercall. Isn't that pretty awesome? And basically that's how Zapier works with any program that you choose to use. Now, my first name field came from FormStack. If you don't want it to use that person's name, then you just leave it blank. But you will get a little reminder down here that you don't have any FormStack fields in your form. And you can just say okay, and that's fine. So I'm going to name it Test Contact to FB. You can name it whatever you want to. And I'm going to say make it live. That means anybody who fills out this test contact form for me, it will post on Facebook page for me. I'm going to X out of that. That was just letting the community know that you created a new Zap and you get free task for doing so. And as you can see, test contact to FB, it's live. So therefore, we're good to go. If you need any more information or need any help with getting your Zap started, please feel free to reach out to me. You can reach me at facebook.com/TIS coaching. Thank you for joining me. I hope it was quick enough and that you enjoyed the information. But like I said, if you need more information or would just like to talk to me, then feel free to reach out to me using my Facebook page. Thank you. Have a great day.